Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got 40 grammar essentials quiz packed with fun multiple choice questions. Think you know the rules? Let's find out, let's get started. 1. What is the function of a pronoun? To take the place of a noun. Tips: a pronoun replaces a noun. 2. Choose the correct sentence. He goes to school. Tips: ensure subject-verb agreement. 3. Identify the adjective in the sentence. She wore a beautiful dress. Beautiful. Tips: adjectives describe nouns. 4. Complete this sentence. He to school every day. Goes. Tips: choose the correct verb tense. 5. Identify the preposition in this sentence. The book is on the table. On. Tips: prepositions show relationships. 6. Which is a declarative sentence? It is raining. Tips: declarative sentences state facts. 7. Correct form of the adjective: this road is. Then that one. Narrower. Tips: use comparative adjectives for two things. 8. Which is a complete sentence? The sun is shining brightly. Tips: a complete sentence needs a subject and verb. 9. Choose the sentence in the passive voice. The letter is written by her. Tips: passive voice emphasizes action. 10. Which sentence uses the correct article? I saw an eagle. Tips: articles depend on sound. 11th. Which sentence contains a conditional clause? If she comes, we will start. Tips: conditional clauses are hypothetical. 12. Correct form of the verb: if I would apologize. Were. Tips: correct verb form depends on condition. 13. Identify the modal verb in this sentence. You must finish your homework. Must. Tips: modal verbs indicate necessity. 14. Identify the correct sentence. She doesn't like ice cream. Tips: she doesn't like ice cream is correct. 15. Correct form of verb 4, she. To the market yesterday. Went. Tips: went is the past tense of go. 16th. Correct article to use. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Un. Tips, use in before vowel sounds. 17. Which sentence uses the correct tense? She went to the park. Tips, she went to the park is correct. 18th. Which sentence has a correct subject-verb agreement? The team plays well. Tips, the team plays well is correct. 19. What is the correct indirect speech of, she said, I am tired? She said she was tired. Tips, she said she was tired is indirect speech. 20. Which sentence is in the passive voice? A book is being read by her. Tips, a book is being read by her is passive. 21st. The cat. On the mat. Is lying. Tips, lying is resting, laying is placing. 22. She has. Beautiful voice. Tips, use a before consonant sounds. 23. They. To the park yesterday. Went. Tips, use past tense when for completed actions. 24. The book was interesting. Very. Tips, very emphasizes adjectives. 25. He is. Then his brother. Taller. Tips, use taller for comparisons of two. 26. You finished your homework? Have. Tips, use have with you in present perfect. 27. Neither the dog, the cat were friendly. Nor. Tips, use nor with neither for negatives. 28. If I, a bird, I would fly away. Were. Tips, use were in unreal conditional sentences. 29. The students are very good. Studying. At. Tips, use it for skills or abilities. 30. I'm looking forward to. You soon. Seeing. Tips, looking forward to is followed by a gerund. 31. This is the house I grew up in. Where. Tips, use where for locations. 32. She told me that she. The movie before. Had seen. Tips: use had seen for past perfect. 33. Of them wanted to go to the beach. All. Tips: use all for the whole group. 34. She has money than her sister. Less. Tips: use less with uncountables. 35. The cake was made. My mom. By. Tips: use by for the action agent. 36. He ran quickly that he won the race. So. Tips: use so before adjectives or adverbs. 37. I wish I. More time to relax. Had. Tips: use had in unreal present wishes. 38. The concert was amazing. Quite. Tips: quite means very or fairly. 39. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She can sing well. Tips: use can plus base verb. 40. Choose the correct form of the verb. I went to the park yesterday. Tips: use past tense for completed actions. How did you do? Share your score in the comments, give that like button a click, and don't forget to subscribe for more grammar quizzes. Keep improving, see you next time.